Pronouns and possessives, possessive pronouns. The form I, mine. We, ours. You, yours. He, his. She, hers. They, theirs. Explaining. It's my book. It's mine. It's our house. It's ours. It's your key. It's yours. It's his laptop. It's his. It's her bag. It's hers. It's their car. It's theirs. When to use possessive pronouns. To refer to possessions and to indicate ownership or something. How to use possessive pronouns. We use mine, yours, etc. without a noun. Is this book mine or yours? Equals, my book or your book. I didn't have an umbrella, so Sarah gave me hers. Equals, her umbrella. It's their problem, not ours. Equals, not our problem. We went in our car, and they went in theirs. Equals, their car. We can use his with or without a noun. Is this his camera or hers? It's his. We use possessive pronouns, mine, yours, etc., instead of my, your, plus, noun. We've got our exams today, and they've got theirs tomorrow. That's my bag. Where's yours?
Let's practice. That car is mine. The apple is yours. This pen is hers. The house is ours. The books are theirs. The cat is ours. My room is bigger than hers. This is a nice camera. Is it yours? Excuse me, those seats are ours. Those aren't my keys. They're yours. This book belongs to me. It's mine. We can eat all of the food. It's ours. Please give this bag to Sarah. It is hers. This cell phone is mine, not yours. Which room is yours? That's not my umbrella. Mine is black. Whose books are these? Yours or mine? Katie has a jacket like mine, but hers is gray. I went to the cinema with a friend of mine. They went on holiday with some friends of theirs. She's going out with a friend of hers. We had dinner with some friends of ours. I played tennis with a friend of mine. Tom is going to meet a friend of his. Can we use your washing machine? Ours isn't working. Don't eat those sweets. They're mine. Those aren't his glasses. They're hers. Do you know those people? Are they friends of yours? This is Tom's watch and I think this wallet is his too. I went out to meet a friend of mine. Not a friend of me. Are those people friends of yours? Not friends of you. My bag is here and his is under that seat. My suitcase is black and hers is blue. This is my dictionary. Where's yours? Please give this DVD to Scott and Robert. It's theirs. Tom was in the restaurant with a friend of his. Not a friend of him. Their team colors are red and white and ours blue and white. Why are you worried about your exams? I'm not worried about mine.
Whose hat is this?
It's his.
Whose money is this?
It's yours.
Is this Sally's bag?
No, hers is blue.
Whose bags are these?
They're ours.
Which bag is yours?
Mine is the gray one.
Whose camera is this?
It's hers.
Whose gloves are these?
They're mine.
Are these your shoes?
No, mine are in the house.
The link of all sentences in this video is in the description.
Don't forget to watch these videos.